Hello everyone, my name is Daniel. Welcome back to today's video. In today's video, I've got a very exciting unboxing to share with you guys today. That is the one and only Hermes orange box. It is very surprising and unexpected because I've never thought of getting any Hermes bag anytime soon because I've already got one 2 months ago. This is probably going to be my final unboxing of Hermes bags this year because I do think it is too excessive because I've got too many bags now. This video is going to be my first impression. If you guys want to know what it is inside this bag, please continue to watch it. I ordered this bag 2 days ago on the Hermes website and I picked it up today in the Central store. I've already unboxed it once because I have to check to see if everything is alright. But the sales associate has wrapped the ribbons pretty nice for me. Anyway, let's open this box together. We've got this very lovely box. It wrapped really nicely with the white tissue paper. And then on the inside, we have got a very lovely dust bag. Then inside the box, we've got a cushion to hold the bag, which is so nice. Can you guys guess what it is? Let's see. Ta-da-da-da! We've got the garden party in the size 30 in the color Beaton and Biscuit. We still got this little online tab here. When I first unboxed this bag inside the store, I was very surprised. Firstly, it is very beautiful. The color of it is really stunning. And secondly, it is really light. When I hold the bag, it is like I'm not holding anything at all. Before I got this bag, I've done so many research. I knew that the canvas version is going to be a lot more lightweight and the leather version is going to be a bit heavier, but I never thought it's going to be this light because I've owned another canvas bag from Hermes, which is the Her bag. That bag is not extremely light, but it's not very heavy either, but I would say this bag is super light. I think with this size, it is definitely a very light bag for sure. Going back to the color, the canvas portion is in the color Beaton. Essentially, it is white, but with some grey undertone to it. But by looking at it right now, I think there are some brown undertones to it, interestingly. I'm not sure how it picks on the camera, but it looks so nice. I've got another Hermes bag in the lip, which is in the color Beaton as well. But for that bag, it is definitely white, but with some grey undertones to it. But for this one, I think it is not the same. Perhaps it's because it's made in a different materials. As for the leather portion, the color is biscuit. As for the bottom, there's no feet. I know a lot of people really want feet for the garden party, but that's alright. So that's the bag. On the inside, it is just a big hole and there's no compartment. This is what the bag usually looks like. And if you want the bag to be a little bit bigger, you definitely can. There is a button on both sides. If you want to make it bigger, just pop it open. And then it's going to be a lot bigger. However, the shape is going to be a bit different. Not a lot of people love this kind of shape, but for me, that's alright. But of course, I still prefer the slimmer look. So probably I'm going to use this bag like so all the time. I've always wanted to get a garden party bag for so long and finally get my hands on it, which is really nice. I was debating whether to get it in the leather version or with the canvas version, but I would say the canvas version may be a bit more practical because it is really light and the garden party supposedly you're going to fit loads of items. So the canvas version could be a better option. As for the size, I was debating whether to get it in a size 30 or in a size 36. But I think for this size, it is really cute. So I'm really glad I got this size. I'm wondering whether I can fit my laptop inside. Let's see. I'm going to pop it open and see if it fits my laptop. Let's do a little test. So I've got a laptop with me. It does fit it inside. However, I will be using a bag organizer. With the bag organizer, I'm not sure if it's going to fit perfectly. As you can see, it actually fits. I'm guessing if I'm going to be using this bag, I'm probably not going to be using a computer, but I'll definitely be feeling quite a lot of stuff here as well. Now that I got it, I really love it. I will definitely be doing an updated review of this bag. If you guys are interested in watching this kind of video, please leave a comment down below. There you have it. I hope you guys enjoy watching this kind of video. If you guys do love this kind of video, please give this video a like, subscribe to this channel, and comment down below. And I will see you in the next one. Bye bye.